The Fearless Ant. Short moral story. One day, a small ant got stuck near a stream after heavy rain. The water was rising fast, and bigger animals rushed to safety. The ant, however, refused to give up. It found a floating leaf, climbed aboard, and paddled with a twig. Slowly, it reached the shore. A rabbit watching nearby said, "You're so tiny, yet so brave." The ant replied, "Being small doesn't mean I can't try." Inspired, the rabbit helped others trapped by the water. Moral: courage isn't about size or strength. Even the smallest efforts can overcome the biggest challenges with determination and bravery. Thanks for watching.